Hi everyone, welcome to Cocosenor, and today I will teach the easiest way to clean up your iPhone storage. Cocosenor iDevice Clean Tuner is a powerful iPhone storage cleaner that can free up iPhone storage in simple clicks. Then download Cocosenor iDevice Clean Tuner on your computer. Part 1: How to fast clean up iPhone storage. First, you should get iTunes installed on your computer. Open the software and connect your iPhone to the computer. OK, your iPhone is detected by the software. Click the Fast Cleanup option. Hit the Scan button to scan all junk files on your iPhone. The scanning process ends. You can click the Clean button behind each category to free up iPhone space. For the Pictures category, when you click the Clean button, you can see all your iPhone pictures. You can classify those pictures by year, month, or day. You can double-click or right-click to preview the pictures. To export the pictures from iPhone to PC, you can tick the checkbox. Click the Export button and set the save path for the backup. Well, the pictures are saved in your destination folder. You can open it to have a check. To delete the pictures, choose the pictures you want to remove and hit the Delete button. Click Yes. In seconds, the pictures are removed from your iPhone. For the large files, click the Clean button. You can see a list of the large files with the file type, time, and size. You can choose the file and hit the Export button. If you want to delete the large files, choose the Files and click the Delete button in the lower right corner. All right, the files are deleted from the iPhone. Part 2: Delete unused third-party apps on iPhone. Open the software and choose the Uninstall option. Click the Scan button. OK, you can see all iPhone app details here. Click on the Uninstall button behind the app details. Soon, the app is uninstalled successfully. That's all.